How to force restart your iPad A16. So what you're gonna have to do is to find your volume buttons and your power button. You should probably already know where this is. We have the volume up button and the volume down button, which is going to be here, and then the power button. What you're gonna have to do is press on the volume down button and then release it pretty much immediately, and do the same thing for the volume down button after you do the volume up button. And then once you've done all those, you can press and hold the power button. So we're gonna do that real quick. Up, down, and then hold like so. We messed it up, but let's just do that again. And then this will pop out. What you're gonna do now is just keep holding the power button until the screen turns black. And after that, you're not gonna let go actually. You're just gonna wait until you see the Apple logo. That's when you release your power button. So now it's going on a little reboot, and then you're just gonna have to wait until the iPad turns back on. But that's pretty much it. Once it's done rebooting, the iPad will turn on and you would have successfully force restarted your iPad. It's taking quite some time, but that should be normal. There we go, it's on and it's 11:11. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.